Guys, Thomas Baca back with another video, and this video is going to be on how to clean your Mizutani scissors. So that's like a real important thing. I've been getting the question a lot lately on how to clean your Mizutani scissors. They're so expensive, and a lot of guys are going on the website and noticing that it says don't put them in water. Yes, guys, that's true. Do not run them underwater. Never place them into barbicide. Look, here's my, let me show you something real quick. Here's my Mizutani collection. The guy's biggest collection, biggest personal collection in Albuquerque, New Mexico for sure. If not biggest collection in the world. Personal collection. Each one of these are a lot. So look, the two that I use the most, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go ahead and put these away. I am going to clean them all at some point. Guys, the two that I use the most. And first and foremost, before I even get into that, and you're going to want to watch a video as it's whole, I'm going to show you something. This video is sponsored by Sir Men's Salon. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Just wanted to say that. Thank you to Sir Men's Salon for allowing this video to be possible. And so let's get right into it. These right here are the pink flamingos. These are a blending scissor. I use these every day. Beautiful scissor. I use these every single day. And so I'm going to clean these and show you. The next pair of scissors you're going to tell that I use them every day, are the Serenits. These are Mizutani, of course, because I only use one pair of Shear, and that's Mizutani. These are in collaboration with JB Mazel. And so JB Mazel and Mizutani worked together on a scissor. And this is what they came up with. JB Mazel was smart enough to work with Mizutani. Mizutani was smart enough to allow JB Mazel to create a Shear. These are absolutely amazing. They're just very heavy hitting in the barber game. I love these shears. There's a review on them. Go look at it if you want to see about them. Let's get right into how to clean these. And so these are the scissors right here. We'll start with these. These are already dirty. So how to clean these? I can come back here, give these I would use a micro mesh cloth from Mizutani, but right now I have a very soft towel. I'm just wiping these in every little location. Right down here. In another video, I'll show you how to take them apart and clean them even more thorough. But so then I'm going to grab barbicide wipes. This is about the amount of fluid that you can have on your scissors. I'm going to grab those. I'm going to actually go ahead and place that there real quick. Let me go ahead and just put on a pair of gloves real quick. Don't know where the other pair went. Oh, well. All right, guys, look. So, look, I'm just going to get the scissor here and go ahead and give it just a light wipe. Make sure it wipes. You don't want to, if you feel like your cloth has too much liquid on it, wipe it onto a towel. Look, here's this. Look, actually do not do that. And so, look, just wipe your scissors down with barbicide. Wipe. That's scissor pair number 1. I'm going to place them on the towel real quick, just sitting right here. I'm going to go to scissor number 2. I'm going to wipe those down. Look, guys, this is important, though, because everyone wants to know, how do you clean your Mizutani scissors? This is how you clean them. And not only am I going to show you how to clean them, we're going to really quick oil them together. So there you go. Everything's wiped up. These ones are ready to just run a quick little cloth through them. Put these down over here. Look, run a quick cloth through them. You never want to be holding two pairs at the same time in one hand. These are nano powdered metal. The other ones have another metal. You don't want them to scrape or any of that. Look. Wow. Nice and clean, guys. Listen. And now I'm going to show you something else. So look at this. Place these down real quick. Let me actually wipe these first too to get them That way everything's wiped and we'll go right into oiling. Nice and clean. Sorry that I'm only wearing one glove. So that's nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the glove. And so look, guys, here's some oil that you'll get. Whoops, that's something else. Here's some oil that you'll get with Mizutani. And those are different oils. This one right here, you might see when you buy a pair of scissors. It's going to come in that orange package sitting in there. This one is just, will come when you buy a scissor case. And and then it just comes in here. Same thing. They're all oil, guys. I think they're $25 each. If anyone in Albuquerque wants to check one out, come over to my shop. I'll show you how it works. Here's one that I've opened. Simply just pop that off. It's like a syringe. Come down here. And you're going to want to get in between these sections here. So I'm going to come and I'm going to add some oil just right up here. And I just put it right in those sections. I'm going to come right back here. I just put it in this section right back here. I'm going to come over here, do just a little glaze right here. And look at my scissors. Now listen. Your scissors should drop, you know, almost all the way down. They should stop right around here. These ones are blending shears. I love them where they're set. They came from the factory, set very good, and actually set exceptionally. And so I kept them that way. And so these ones happen to go all the way down to, usually they'll stop at a certain point. I can tighten these one more notch if I feel like it. In fact, once they're clean, and look, I add some just right in that section. Come right over here also as well. Put a little smear there. Smear here, smear here. If you have the swords and they have that twisting thing there, go ahead and pop some in there, in the sword thing. And then, so look, you oiled your scissors. Now, at the very end of that, you can take the scissors, just do a light just a very light wipe on the blade. One more wipe on the outside. Set them down. Wipe here, wipe on the outside. And guys, look, scissors are clean. Scissors are elite. And look at them. And so, hey guys, that's the video on how you clean your Mizutani scissors. If you guys like that video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thomas Baca TV. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you very much.